We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L2710 printer. We're going to show you how to replace and reset the drum counter for the machine. So if you've been getting a replace drum warning or a drum low message, we're going to show you how to go and get all that taken care of today. So the first thing you want to do is on each side of the printer you'll see a little finger groove. You're just going to put your fingers on each one of them and pull that front access door open, and that's going to give you access to your drum and toner. So now once you do that, you're going to go and remove the drum and toner, and you're going to want to lift and pull. Again, you shouldn't have to pull very hard. It should be a nice easy process to pull it out. If it feels like you're trying to yank on it, try to push it back in and pull it back out. Just try it a couple times. It should come out very easily. Once you have it successfully removed, we need to separate the toner from the drum. So there's a little green tab on the drum. We're going to go and push that down, and that's going to release the toner. So you can go and just rotate it out there. So now we've successfully removed our drum and separated it from the toner. So now we need to replace it. So once you have your new drum all unpacked and ready to use, you're going to go ahead and reinstall your toner back into your new drum. Make sure it clicks all the way down into place. And anytime you replace a toner into a drum, I always recommend using the sweep on the top of the drum. So what you're going to want to do is just slide it all the way across the full length of the drum 2 or 3 times, making sure that when you're done, that little tab winds all the way back on the side that it started on. It's very important that you don't leave it somewhere out in the middle or just kind of hanging on the side. If you don't put it all the way back where it belongs, you can end up causing a print quality defect. And so you want to make sure that this goes all the way back where it started from. And there's actually a little indication of 2 little arrows pointing at each other, so you know exactly where that's at. But please just make sure that goes all the way back where it started from. Once you're done doing that, we're going to go ahead and install the toner and the drum back inside the printer, making sure that it clicks firmly back into place. Now we can go ahead and close the front door here. And now we're going to give the printer a second to initialize the new drum and toner. Once that comes back up and comes back to a full ready state, then we can reset the drum counter for the machine. And that's to tell the printer that it actually has a new drum inside of it. So now that the printer's has come back up to a ready state, we can go ahead and tell it that we've replaced that drum. So what you need to do is get into the reset menu. The way you do that is you're going to push the up arrow and OK at the same time. And you'll see that brings up the reset menu. Then the very first option is going to be drums, so you're going to go ahead and hit OK because that's what we want. And then to confirm that you want to reset it, you're going to go ahead and push the up arrow. Once you push the up arrow, that's going to go ahead and reset the drum counter for the printer. So the next time you're ready for a drum, you'll go ahead and get that message again, or if you were getting that message already, it'll get rid of it until the next time you're ready to replace your drum. So hopefully that answers any questions you might have. If you still have any, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. I'm going to try to help you out with those. If you have any other concerns, again, please feel free to reach out to Onyx, or if you need to order a drum or any of your supplies, we'll be glad to help you out with that. Other than that, I hope you're good to go and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.